Okay, so apart from being a Viking, my other main hobby is falconry. Here's my bird. This is a tail buzzard, and she's called Loot. Get her in the sun. Loot, face this way. There she is. Nice bird. So I've driven out, there's my car, into a field. Hopefully, I'm going to walk across this field and find something to chase. Maybe some hares or something. That's the main thing. There might be a rabbit, but I'll be lucky. So what I'll do is I'll head out to this corner. You can hear her calling, she's excited. And as you can see, it's very icy on the ground. It is the 4th today, Monday the 4th. So it's Matt's video day, but I'm doing it in advance. Hopefully you'll be able to see some chasing with the bird. Okay, it's currently not in great position because I'm going uphill. Really, I want to be going downhill with the wind behind me because the bird can use the wind to its advantage. Go on. Okay, there was a rabbit in the hedgerow here. As you can see, Luke slipped and she's now up the tree. We'll see what happens. Right in the distance up there is a pheasant. Way too far away for Luke to bother about, so you should come see in the tree for a bit. And I'll leave you there. Start again if anything good happens. Okay, generally when we go for hares we want to go across the fields, such as this huge one. But unfortunately, because there's only me today, it's very unlikely that we're going to kick up a hare. So I've just simply released Lucy into the tree. You can see she is just at the tip of my finger there, you can see her. And she is just looking in the hedgerows at the moment. Hopefully there'll be something below her. We don't know. There might be. If there is, I'll hopefully be able to catch it on camera. But it's very difficult. She's having a good little look. She might have spotted something. On the other hand, she might not have. If I can zoom into her. There she is. Oops. And there you can see she just hopped onto the next branch. Right, at this point I've got to run after, so I'll see you in a sec. Okay, thankfully she's only gone just into the next field. She must have seen something, but she fell on the ground pretty quickly, so it might be a mouse or something dived down a hole. But I can't really tell, so now she's back up in the tree. That's fine. There you go, that's her back there. And again, she'll just have a little look around. And hopefully something interesting will happen. But you never know, it's a waiting game of falconry. But thankfully, the sun is still reasonably high in the sky, so I've got a long time to wait. So she's looking at me now. So she's expecting food from me, rather than from the field. Okay, at the moment, I've got to run across this field. Because Luke's crazy in the air, I'm not sure if you can see them. They're angry because Luke's in the field. She's just going bloody miles, chasing after something. I think it must have got away. Maybe something weird if I get to her. I'll see. You've got to be pretty good to do falconry. Here she is. Nothing. I'm scared to go so far.
Well, unfortunately she didn't catch anything that day. In fact, I didn't really see anything. There was the rabbit right at the beginning of the video, but that was miles off, and it had gone down the hole by the time she got anywhere near it. And that was about it, so it wasn't a good day. And there was only me in a huge field, and there were probably like 15 hares just sitting there watching and laughing because they could stay hidden. Hopefully I'll have some more luck when I next go back to Northampton. In the meantime, it is now... let's have a look at the calendar. Let's have a look. That was taken on... let me see. Calendar. Here we go for you. That was taken on... Monday the 4th, which is all the way over there. And we are now on the 13th, and there's still loads of snow. It's crazy. Apparently temperatures are colder here than they are in Iceland, which amuses me. I quite like it because I'm going around in a t-shirt all the time still, even while it's snowing. Whereas if you look outside, it's actually snowing now. Well, you can't see. Trust me, all that whiteness is snow. So it is very, very snowy. Yes, t-shirt, FTW. Although I did get splashed by a bus. No, my trousers are dried out now, but I got splashed by a bus because it was stupid. In the future, we're going to introduce more people to make videos for Short of the Norm. You've seen John, and there might very well be someone else doing one this week. You never know. And also, I'm pushing the other guys in Short of the Norm to accept another guy into our sort of inner circle, and that is me. So yes, me Viking Jake likes to kill things, much like me. He likes to hit things with pointy metal objects, much like me, and he likes to wear a hood, much like me. So we've got a lot in common. He's a cool guy. If you like me, you should definitely like him.